Hello everyone, and this is a how to draw video on the standing mongoose, or at least a mongoose standing up. Uh, I decided to draw the mongoose standing up because, to be honest, I think the mongoose is kind of cute when it stands on its hind legs to see what's its roundness and stuff. So I wanted to draw that today. So yeah, and as you can see here, actually got a new sketchbook that I got from this is like a hardcover sketchbook that I got from Amazon. I will show you guys what's in this book, but it's not that much drawings that I did in this book yet. So I was gonna wait until there's a lot of pages in this book right now. So it's like 120 pages. If I at least get to 100 drawings on this book, I'll probably show you guys. So I might have a longer video to show more drawings and stuff. So yeah. And today I'm going to be drawing the standing mongoose. I'm gonna start off with the head. I'm gonna start with the head. I'm gonna draw the body. Yeah, I could probably have poems drawing the body. Could draw the claws. And in the lower body, can draw the legs, weights, I'm going to draw the tail, because the mongoose actually uses its tail to stand upright. Going to do some erasings a bit. I'm going to draw his tail longer, because it's kind of a long bushy tail. Now that's not right. That's not right. It's supposed to be like on the ground, like close to the mongoose feet. Kind of like this. That's how you do it. Right here. I was gonna give him more character. No, he's Yeah, that's the mongoose. Oh, he's a standing mongoose. And if you guys like my drawings, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you'd like to see more. And that's it.